If you want a smart light, then most of the time you'll be dealing with a bulb and a fixture or a lamp of some sort, but the Philips Hue Bloom is a great compact smart light. The Bloom is one of Philips' white and color ambience lights that does a great job handling both colors and white light from 2200 to 6500 kelvins. It puts out light at 500 lumens in a very small package. The Bloom can either use a Philips Hue bridge or Bluetooth for app control of color, brightness, and color temperature. I love how sleek, simple, and modern this light looks. The Bloom puts out very good quality of light with all the white color temperatures being very accurate. It's definitely an accent light though that's great for adding a splash of color to a corner of your room. It goes great on a bookshelf, an entryway table, or a side table. When I unboxed this light, I was caught off guard by how compact it is, especially compared to the Go and Iris. I like that the power cord can be detached from the power supply, making it easier to get the cord routed through a hole on your desk or a bookshelf. The Bloom features both Bluetooth and Zigbee so it can work with or without a Hue bridge. To set the Bloom up, you just plug the cord into the power adapter and plug the power adapter into a receptacle. Then get on the Philips Hue app and go to Lights and click the plus sign. If the light doesn't show up right away, you might need the serial number, which is located on the bottom of the light. With the Hue bridge, the Bloom is compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, as well as the Philips Hue app. These services allow you to create automations, scenes, and to set routines for your light, as well as to use voice control. If you want to control the Bloom when you're away from your home, you're going to need a Philips Hue bridge. And if you want to sync the light with content from your TV, then you're going to need a Hue sync box and to set up motion zones with this light. I really enjoy using the Philips Hue app because it has a great user interface and it allows you to quickly control a room full of lights and to use their pre-made scenes and settings to create an instant mood across your whole room. Hue makes it easy to control a bunch of different lights at the same time through the app, and it's so much fun to just change the colors and the brightness of all your various lights. Now we've got to talk price. At $80 for the Bloom, it's not a cheap light. Philips Hue definitely charges a premium for their lights, but it's because they're some of the most reliable, highest quality lights in the smart home game today. To me, the Bloom is the kind of light that you should save for later on in your smart home journey. Once you've converted all the bulbs or lights in your house to use smart switches or smart bulbs and you have all your other scenes and automation set up, then the Bloom is a great way to add accent color in a very small package. If you're ready to add accents of color throughout your house on different shelves and tables and desks, then the Bloom is a great compact option to do this. Hue also has the Go and Iris as similar options to this. They all have a slightly different look, and the Go also offers the ability to be used on battery power, and the Iris has the most unique look with its size being bigger and the clear back. So to wrap it all up, I would buy the Hue Bloom if you're looking for the most compact Philips Hue light that provides great colors and a variety of color temperatures in one small package. It's going to take up the least amount of space on your desk, bookshelf, entryway table, and it's a great looking little light. Thanks for watching my review of the Philips Hue Bloom. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos as I have tons more Philips Hue reviews that I've made and that are coming soon. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, please consider purchasing lights with affiliate links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about this light or any of the Philips Hue products, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them.